Not all debt is bad, but most debt keeps Kenyans poor. And the problem is, many people don't even realize which debt is hurting them. If you've ever taken a loan and wondered why your finances never improve, this video is for you. Because today, we're breaking down good debt versus bad debt, in simple Kenyan terms, so you never borrow blindly again. Most Kenyans grow up hearing just one message: debt is bad. But the truth is, debt itself is not the enemy. The real issue is that nobody teaches us how debt works, or when it makes sense to borrow. So people fear all loans, or worse, take loans without understanding them. Today, let's clear that confusion completely. Let's start with the basics. Debt is borrowing money today, and paying it back later, with interest. That interest is the price you pay for using someone else's money. Every loan may look different, but underneath, they all work the same way. And if you don't understand that structure, debt can quietly drain your income. Every single loan has three things. 1. The amount you borrow. 2. The interest and extra fees. And 3. The time you're given to repay. Ignore any of these, and the loan becomes dangerous. Many people focus only on the monthly payment, and that's how they overpay without noticing. Now that we understand what debt is, let's divide it properly. Because not all debt behaves the same way. Some debt helps you grow. Other debt slowly keeps you stuck. Let's clearly separate good debt from bad debt, so you can tell the difference every time. Good debt is debt that helps you grow financially. It either increases your income or builds long-term value. This type of debt eventually puts money back into your pocket. Good debt has a clear purpose and a clear plan. If borrowing helps you earn more in the future, that debt is working for you. In Kenya, good debt can look like this. Education loans that improve your skills and earning power. Business loans used to make profit, not fund lifestyle. Farming inputs that increase harvest and income. Or land bought for long-term development. Notice something important: good debt always has a future benefit. Bad debt does the opposite. It does not increase your income. It only finances comfort, lifestyle, and consumption. Bad debt feels good immediately, but creates stress later. And because the benefit ends quickly, you're left only with repayment. That's how bad debt slowly keeps people poor. Some common bad debt in Kenya includes Fuliza and mobile loans for food, data, or fare. Personal loans for phones, clothes, or parties. And high-interest loans taken without a repayment plan. These loans don't create income. They simply move tomorrow's money into today, and charge you for it. Bad debt reduces your future income. You work today to pay for yesterday. Savings disappear, stress increases, and you remain stuck in survival mode. This is why many hard-working Kenyans earn money, but never seem to move forward financially. Let's compare two people. Person A borrows 50,000 shillings to buy a phone. Person B borrows the same amount to start a small biashara. After 1 year, Person A still has payments. Person B has income, same loan, completely different outcome. Before taking any loan, ask yourself these questions. Will this loan increase my income? Can I repay it without stress? What is the total amount I'll pay back? And what happens if my income delays? If you can't answer these clearly, that loan is risky. Some loans look harmless but behave badly. Long repayment does not mean cheap. Small daily payments often hide very high interest. Always look at the total repayment amount, not just the installment. Cheap today does not mean cheap overall. If you must borrow, follow these rules. Borrow only for growth, not comfort. Avoid stacking multiple loans. Repay faster than required if possible. And build savings even while repaying. Debt should serve you, not control your life. Debt is a tool, just like a knife. It can help you cook, or seriously hurt you. The difference is knowledge and discipline. When you borrow with a plan, debt can help you grow. Without a plan, it will quietly destroy progress. If this video helped you understand debt better, share it with someone who borrows. Subscribe to Smart Money 254 for simple, honest money lessons. And in the next video, I'll show you how to clear debt faster, step by step. Your financial freedom starts with understanding.